Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Books features and integrations. This powerful platform brings together accounting, project management, CRM, and countless other business tools all in one place, making it easier to streamline your workflows and connect your essential business operations seamlessly. First, open your browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the page, you'll see options to either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Go ahead and click the appropriate button to access your Zoho Books dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your accounting and business operations. After logging in, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small icon with 9 dots. This is the All Zoho Apps button. Click on it to reveal the full ecosystem of tools available to you. This icon is your gateway to exploring everything Zoho has to offer beyond just the Books platform. When you click that icon, a right side menu will slide out onto your screen. This menu displays all the integrations and apps you can connect with Zoho Books. Take a moment to browse through the impressive list of options available. You'll find native Zoho apps like Zoho CRM, Zoho Inventory, and Zoho Projects, as well as third-party integrations, including various payment gateways that can connect directly to your accounting system. To connect any integration, simply click on the app or service you want to add. You'll see options like Connect or Configure depending on the specific tool. Click on that button to begin the integration process. The system will then guide you through authorization steps, which may require you to enter credentials or API keys for the selected integration. Follow these prompts carefully to ensure the connection is established properly. Now scroll down through the menu to explore the full range of features organized by category. In the Email and Collaboration section, you'll find tools like Notebook, Meeting, Projects, Team Inbox, Mail, Click, Sheet, and WorkDrive. These tools help your team communicate and collaborate efficiently. Moving down to the Sales section, you'll discover options such as CRM, Sales IQ, Sales Inbox, Bookings, and Commerce. Each of these tools is designed to help you manage different aspects of your sales process from lead generation to closing deals. Continue browsing through the Marketing section where you'll see Sites, Campaigns, Survey, Forms, and Social. These tools help you build your online presence and engage with customers effectively. Don't overlook the Help Desk and Customer Support section, along with human resource and business process tools further down the menu. The beauty of Zoho is that all these apps and tools are built for integration and usage under one unified platform, allowing you to manage your entire business ecosystem from a single login. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.